Hi, this is Rebecca from Maison Botanica, and I'm going to teach you how to whitewash a wall just like the one behind me. First of all, welcome to my bedroom. When I first moved into this house, it had this brown, icky pallet wall that was with mixed wood, and it really wasn't my style at all. So I took it upon myself to paint it, and I was so happy with the results. It went from this super rustic wall to a coastal retreat, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm going to teach you some of my tips and tricks in case you want to paint something like this at home for yourself. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. This was the bedroom wall that the house came with. It was mixed pallet wood and just not my favorite at all. It was floor to ceiling brown, and it was this wood that someone had tacked up themselves. It was too much work to take off, so I decided why not paint it. My house already came with a wall like this, but if you don't have a wall like this, I imagine it can't be too difficult to put up. But if you're looking to whitewash a wall that you already have, I can help you here. So you can see here there's a lot of different colors, and it's a lot of dark and light. So what I did was I found paint that was already in my house. Actually, it's trim paint, and this kind of paint is a lot thicker than usual paint for the wall, so that was really helpful when painting a wall like this because it covered the light and the dark. Also, here's a cute video of my two pups, Fred and Poppy, enjoying themselves on the bed in front of the wood pallet wall. Little do they know it's going to be transformed very, very soon. As I started painting, you can see it goes on pretty well on both the light and the dark wood. Really, there's no rhyme or reason. You just kind of take a go at it and see how it looks. Depending on the grain of your wood, you may want to paint against the grain to make the grain pop. In some instances, you may paint with the grain so that it will create a more smooth finish. It just depends on what you're after. I started with the bottom just in case I didn't like it or if I made a mistake, but I quickly realized there was no wrong way to do it. With pallet wood, there's a lot of nooks and crannies in the wood, so you want to paint in multiple directions so that you fill every single crevice and create a full whitewashed look. You don't need to dilute the paint at all. You want to keep the paint thick, so you just have to do one coat. It's already a lot of work with one. As you paint higher and higher on the wall, you will sometimes have some paint drip down. So you want to always go back and make sure that you can smooth out the drips. If it's already dried up, you can just take a sanding tool and sand it out. This bedroom accent wall took me about 2 to 3 hours, so it's a pretty quick and easy weekend project or even weeknight. Not bad at all. And here it is all done, the whitewashed accent wall. And there you have it. Those are my tips and tricks for how to whitewash a wood wall. I hope you enjoyed it, and as you followed along, in case you took on the project yourself, I'd love to see it. Comment or tag me on Instagram at Maison Botanica. In case you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to my channel for upcoming tutorials for other fun home DIY projects, and have yourself a lovely day. Thanks so much for tuning in.